Centuries ago, deep into the core of our planet, the molecules of life itself became unstable and erupted in a violent explosion, spewing magma to the surface of our Earth. The magma quickly cooled as it broke the surface through the boiling waters. This act of nature created islands in and out of Jamaican waters. But there was one in particular, the one island that remained hidden from all radars. Paradise Island. Those who are indigenous to this island were known to have superhuman abilities. The Maroons were the only people to have set foot on this island. Upon leaving, the island called for a warrior, a chosen, its protector, Chaos. Yo, drop on me and clock in to make you know something find it. But me can't believe me, God is not know it on my radar.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Construction on this island.
On Paradise Island, it not go be so easy, you know, boss.
Why? Me no think you say no man no live on it.
Him, I know one normal man.
Me no deal in a superstition, brethren. Plus, when me a plan to put on the island there, that no normal neither. So I want the construction start ASAP. This thing are not just Jamaican tycoon a fund this. Me a get funding from all over the world. Me a play ball with some big league So me no want hear no more hiccup or else some boy I get kick up. You see what me I say? Me also spring a deal with Jamaican services to start construction this week. Me no want no delay.
Something they want to hear. So see how
How they go along your soul? Me island alone.
My skin tone is perfect, my attitude is sharp. Oh, you know, say you're not, so you question that.
Hello, Dragon, you see what me I tell you? The man mash up the tractor, the man truck and everything and jump and go away.
Me no want excuses, rude boy. Get the job done. Bow to not cut down tree. I coulda walk also. What we have here, sir? Oh, a well-made specimen. This woman looked like she was carved by a well-dedicated artist. Look on them curve there. You have any details? Like statistics on the case? I definitely not have statistics on the girl. When you hit the root boy? Oh, sorry, sir. It's a missing girl, alright. What a waste. It definitely keeps some of the picture here. That's just sick, you know that. You can't stay there. I'm a forensic detective. Me no get to see much live people. Well, I think is it too much other one, yeah? Oh, just cool, na soap. Me I go get whoever responsible for this.
kill the boy no Japan. And you see my boy like a him named JPX.
It's good to see Dream again.
Just easy, no man. Go on back to sleep. I just have something on my mind, that's all. Me are going to the office early today. Me just remember me have a meeting. Me tell Brenda say me I have some bad dreams about work. But me can't make she know the truth. Me can't make nobody know the truth. Hey boy, look what you have to do, you can't drive.
Come out I road, you idiot. All bleach your face, boy.
fire on the mysterious Paradise Island where 6 heavy-duty tractors were smashed. It is believed that the Dark Menace is actually the cause behind
Good morning. Thanks for calling King's Banking. How can I help you?
We find out more on this daring destruction on Chronicles Services Equipment.
Mr. Drag. Is he there?
Oh, he just stepped in as we speak and walking
No.
towards.
Tell them you're not there.
Him same none there.
Okay, Drag. It seems like my red button and post mode. You know I take my calls. Ungrateful boy. But you go take my visit. It look like you forgot something. Make you read when you're there.
Hi, Miss Chairman, Talia Stone.
Hi, Brumilda.
Did you hear about the accident on Paradise Island with them tractor?
No, how you hear about that so fast?
I make it my point of duty to watch the news every night at prime time. But I think it is a shame what happened to them young man and them tractor there.
My sympathies goes out to the workmen that were affected, but you can rest assured that I'll get to the bottom of whatever is going on.
All I'm saying is Paradise Island should be left intact with its trees. With all these climate changes, we need our trees.
But isn't it also a fact that we need development? And with development comes consequences and temporary structural damages.
Just let them know, you see, development without trees is destruction.
I have some good news for you. I'm making you chairperson of Chicon Services. I'm going away for a while, but I'll be back soon.
Hi, Miss Blake. Can I speak to Brenton, please? Tell him it's Miss Stone. Hello, Brenton. I hear we had an accident.
Just a small thing, tell you, nothing big.
Yes, but you could have said something to me, Brenton.
Nothing get time to scratch me in it without them telling me where them
Now
always.
we have damaged equipment on our hands.
About that kind of project when me I deal with bigger than that. You know any damages I can take care of. No, let's start dinner and probably a little personal time for get to know you better.
Excuse me? This is not that type of call. Don't get ahead of yourself.
Plus, the media is hounding Chicon Services for the deploration of trees on Paradise Island.
What trees? Them little bush they not serve no purpose.
I'm sorry, sir, but Mr. Drag is on a call right now and does not want to be disturbed. But I'm gonna win some money, I'm correct.
So y'all said somehow the trees are important to environment. It would appear, Mr. Drag, that you don't want my business. Let me knock you back later. Me have an unexpected guest.
We are falling behind time with the Paradise Island project. It's ridiculous.
And what about the people's cry for their trees? Hey, tell me.
What exactly does trees has to do with progress? Your argument is ridiculous.
Look, me and no chemist in the star, but I'm sure the trees have something to do with the same atmosphere that we breathe in and out, you know.
You just have to try and breathe less. See, I can do it. Breathe, stop. Breathe, stop. Breathe, stop.
And what when people start breathing on my
My
neck?
empire wasn't built on people worried about trees. Trees? What are trees? It's ridiculous. With this money, you could buy all the amount of trees you want. Now, do you still want to stop cutting down trees? It's ridiculous. Good. So we'll continue with our project.
Whenever you need my might, the earth will open up and give you all its strength. Dark Menace strikes again on Paradise Island, bringing constructions there on a halt. In other news, the police are baffled over the death of missing girl, as it was alleged that she was on her way home from Club Chronicles when she was attacked. Though some people are saying the Dark Menace is fighting a losing battle, there are others that will agree with what he is doing. No trees means no oxygen after all. And coming later, a developed community suffers under the heat because of insufficient trees, and one resident of the new city is selling everything he has to aid in the Dark Menace's fight to protect our trees and environment.
Support the Save Our Trees campaign. Support the Save Our Trees campaign.
Yo, Dragon, we have a mutated mega human carrying. It will drop your Dark Menace like my grandmother lunch. Yo, pick we up on the way. A full time we deal with him. My investors are dropping heavy dollars on the project, yeah. Nothing now go stop it. Man want a bigger room. Man claustrophobic.
Why we couldn't travel by the Sun Bridge? That wouldn't be faster?
Faster, yes. But where we are going is out of the reach of your sun.
You mad? How you know we can stand the cosmic pressure all this, sir?
To survive, you must forget about your surroundings and concentrate wholly on the elements that are around you. Self-preservation will do the rest.
How me I go forget? Me in a deep space, going who knows where in a capsule.
This capsule is the only thing shielding us from the blast that you are going to emit, as you are exposed to the rays of Sirius, giving you the power of a young star. May the light be your guide.
What the?
I'm feeling different.
Youth? You don't see wearing a new suit?
Yo, brother, what you do to me? You now have the power of a young star, powerful enough to desolate galaxies. With Condoleezza, destroy billions of galaxies. You, Xayma Cross, are our only hope. Our smoke, they come from over sun. Than termite, them more stubborn than when jackass are brave.
Right with me, Miss Nobody. Yeah! Wanna think you can give me heaviness, you know?
Pass the dice, man, cause you go like a 6 year true. One whole day practically wasted because of this Dark Menace and him save the tree campaign.
I can see your men need proper motivation to get the job done.
We are top of motivation, rude boy. If I didn't know about this man, then I go feed myself. You think man a coward? Hold on the Dragon, me I get a message. It a come from Devon at the recycling plant. Stop shooting at me ears. Him say him up the Dark Menace inside. Me I go check it out. Wait, no, you're not for rush, brother.
Now you just may get the chance to go prove to me how brave you are, Drag.
What is Mr. So one fridge? So we have a plug it in.
I don't have electricity or a generator. At least I could have a refrigerator. That, my friend, is called thinking ahead.
When Eskimo have money, them really take it by fridge.
Don't try change the subject.
Initiating liftoff. windshield. Approaching target in 5 minutes.
Me I go get him for you, Mr. Truck.
Enabling combat mode.
Me have the Dark Menace in sight.
Aircraft armed and ready to engage. Target locked, you may fire.
Is that one that? Yes,
Who the boy you drunk?
Them come pollute Jamaica. No, them want come pollute Tahitiera. Me nah go make that happen.
Dragon, we have a slight problem.
Left the tree them alone. Tahitiera, make me feel your pain. Give me the strength to protect, to preserve.
This is how the footsteps lead. You mean that cave there?
Dark Menace. And we have no. We are going to level the island here. When planted wanted, it shoot. Run! Drop, we can't stop public to them, man, go here. Stop public, what? Why run? That's the man I know.
Bear in mind, I want everyone out of the picture.